Financial models help assess risk, maximize financial returns, explore investment alternatives, and much more. Building great financial models in Excel not only relies on a reasonable assumption, user-friendly interface, simple and easy to understand analysis, but also on the Excel skills of the financial modeler. Here are 5 Excel tips we believe are helpful in building a great financial model. Number 5. Grouping. Grouping columns and rows is important in building a well-organized and structured financial model. You can find this in the data section of the ribbon. This is a better way than hiding rows and columns. By grouping your data, the worksheet can easily expand to show you information you want to display. You can group rows and columns. For example, you can group historical years or group revenue for each business segment. Number 4. Formula Auditing Function. This is found under the Formulas tab in the ribbon. This is great for understanding the logic behind the inputs and outputs of the formulas. You can use trace precedence and trace dependence to see which cells feed into or rely on a cell. For example, you can see how gross margin formula for the forecasted year 2023 was calculated and the cells used in the formula. Number 3. State the unit of money and measurement in the worksheet. Stating the currency used, the dollar or the euro, the unit of measurement in metric tons, barrels, gallons, manufactured or sold, the unit of time, quarterly, yearly, ensures the structure of the model is much easier to understand. Number 2. State all expenses as negative numbers in the income statement. A financial model is filled with rows and columns of numbers. Reflecting the expenses as negative number lets you quickly identify what is income and what is an expense. Number 1. Error checks in Excel. When using formulas in a financial model, it is wise to always check for errors. Use the error checking button under the Formula Auditing group to help you identify and fix formula errors. Also, you can build your very own error checks in the worksheet. For example, in the balance sheet, check if assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. These are the Excel tips we hope you find helpful in building financial models. Honestly, this only scratches the surface. If you'd like to learn more about Excel tips, please subscribe to this channel. Also, visit our website, efinancialmodels.com. Thanks for watching.